people how una dey for na area, una good morning. Make una lis ten to wetin this Mr. Spade wan talk concerning water leaf. I go come back again.
Stroke, stroke, stroke. I wan let you know say this plant they see here water leaf. Water leaf. No, when you enter and see water leaf, no ever you underestimate water leaf again. Anytime you see water leaf, no ever underestimate water leaf. But you see, I'm so that I say no get bone. This thing will make that person hand when they weak. Will make that person leg when they weak. Come back again to normal. With me, I don't vow to reveal all the secrets. Everything what I know about health benefits, I'll come here, I can't tell you. Your own way to show appreciation to humans and to me, and to share this video. The video I'm talking about stroke. Find a way to share this video. Make it possible the whole Nigeria get to know about them. Because if everybody know about the work of this water leaf for your stroke day, it will help all of us. Now listen how it go take you water leaf. Take care of that stroke. When they worry so many persons today. Listen and listen well. I remain your brother, Mr. Speed. Get water leaf. Plug them. No just or put them. No just begin to plug the leaf or put the water leaf. When you put them, promote all the flowers. Remove these ones. Then comot the root. Then blend everything about water leaf. Comot only the root. But first of all, or put them with the root. Listen. Or put them with the root. Remove the flowers, wait for the body. Then comot the root. Then wash them well because this thing they carry enough sand. Wash them thoroughly. After washing, find blender. Put them 1 cup of water. Blend them well. Make that person get stroke. Make him drink 1 cup in the morning. Make him drink 1 cup in the night on empty stomach. I don't say boil. I say blend. No can ask me say when I'm boiling. Blend them with your blender. Okay? Then take 1 cup. Add 1 cup of water inside. Water 1 cup. Understand me? Mean take 1 cup in the morning before you eat food. And 1 cup in the night before you eat food to sleep. Do it for 1 month. See that person where God creates. When you get that stroke, when they know will come back to normality. These are the secrets that they know as secret before. The thank God for Facebook. We don't get the opportunity to come back and reveal these things to you. Now, I go do medicine reach those people wait for village, waiting for houses. We know if you come back to themselves and get God of stroke. Help share this video. If you want the video finish, I know share them. My brother, you know they do anybody good. People they languish. People where they acted before will be family head. Now don't they one place like vegetable for market. Try share this remedy about stroke. People don't say yes. With water leaf, they can still come back to life again. See, I made video before about yam leaf for stroke. I know one person who don't call me. Say, in fact, when they give that leaf, don't begin the dig. You don't see the difference. Say, I can't give you this information free of charge. No mean say I not get sense. Or no mean say you know they active. Because I feel say the health of human being, they important pass money. No need say I get this knowledge. I keep it to myself. Why people they languish, people they suffer because of these things. That's out of the love I give for myself. I bring you this news. May you also share them. Make those who need their benefits. Nobody knows tomorrow. The effort you make to save humanity, God don't record them for you. Okay? So let people know say with this water leaf, if you remove the flower, remove the root, after you put them, blend them, add 1 cup of water, drink them morning time and night before food. Do it for 1 month. You go see the work of nature. There is power in nature. But we'll come back to nature. Nature have the solution to all our health problems. Because that English drug we take, heal you one, then see add more wahala for your body. Yes. I remain your brother, Mr. Spade. I find joy to bring this news to you. I beg you, share this video. Water leaf can make that man with the life forbid to come back again to life. Thanks so much for watching. Thank you.
My people, now don't see the video from Mr. Spade. Let they talk for there now concerning water leaf. You understand? Many of us know water leaf. In fact, we dey use them for food though generally, but we never take am serious. Say anything even dey inside that thing. Never see am as in we fit even clear am comot for cup and safe. You understand? So God don't put what they call am blessing, medicine for all these plants. But now we don't know. Our people they go through suffering, through different type of illness. We don't know what to use for them. That's why all these videos, so all this information they tell you now, so dey very important. So make una put all dis thing to use, and una fit still get family member or friends wey e be say dem dey go through one or two. Understand? All dis information dey very helpful wey e be say you fit share dis videos to dem. Fit share dis videos to dem wey e be say e go dey of very great help to dem, and you don do dem benefit, and also God go reward you. So na dat video I say make I alert una, make I show una dis morning. Make una take dat information very serious. Make una share dis video, and make una follow dis page abeg. Make una follow dis page. As una dey follow, the algorithm Facebook go fit dey market am to many people, dey show many people, so that many people go fit dey see the herbal product wey we dey give information about. Many people go dey enligh ten ed about many things concerning herbal health. You understand? Dem no dey live in ignorance. Things dey their compound wey dem fit use, dem go see and use with no fear or shame. You understand? So God don bless us with many things. Na for us to put am use na be into use na be the problem. All these videos go help people comot for that ignorance, and make dem get knowledge about wetin God don bless dem with. I go see una for my next video again. Make una take care. Stay blessed. Na bye bye.